this is Roxy from Evangel. Today I'm here at the factory with our CAT machine, which is ready to be shipped to job sites around the world. So come with me and take a look. This is our CAT 303CR mini excavator, and don't list this size for you. This machine is tough, smart, and built to perform. It comes with a 0.12 cubic meter bucket, and it weighs between 3 to 3.6 tons. And about the engine, it is powered by the reliable CAT C1.1 turbo engine, which is strong, efficient, and ready to work all day. What makes this machine special is how thoughtfully it's designed. It's compact enough to fit into tight space, yet deliver big performance where it counts. So whether you are digging, lifting, or loading, it can handle smoothly and confidently. Step inside. The cab is where comfort meets control. With the sealed design, the optional air conditioning, the adjustable armrests, and the suspension seat, you can work comfortably in any weather. The controls are intuitive. The LCD monitor is easy to read, and with features like one-hand travel mode, operation is simpler and more in your control. Safety is never compromised. From the fluorescent retractable seat belt to the gated work lights, every detail is designed to keep you protected. Maintenance is also made easy, with ground-level service points that help minimize downtime. Also, with features like auto-idle, engine shutdown, and an efficient hydraulic system, the 303CR will help you keep the operating cost very low and staying productive. And behind every CAT machine is unmatched dealer support. From equipment solutions to operator training and service, we are with you every step of the way. The CAT 303CR, compact, comfortable, capable, and reliable. It's more than a machine. It's a partner that you can trust on any job sites. So if you are interested in learning more or getting a quote, feel free to contact me at any time. This is Roxy. Thank you for watching and see you next time.